Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Podcast Classroom. Today, we will practice shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to me and repeat what I say. This will help your English speaking. I will speak slowly. After each sentence, wait 3 seconds, then repeat what I said. Are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Easy words. Listen and repeat. Hello. Good morning. Thank you. Please. Excuse me. Water. Food. House. Happy. Friend. Great job! Now let's try some phrases. Part 2. Daily phrases. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. See you later. I would like some water, please. How much does this cost? Where is the bathroom? Can you help me? I don't understand. What time is it? Excellent. You were doing well. Part 3. Useful sentences. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. The weather is nice today. I need to go to the store. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I have the menu? Do you have this in a different size? Can I pay by card? Have a nice day. Perfect. Let's practice some conversations. Part 4. Simple conversations. Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Mike. Where are you from, Mike? I'm from Canada. How about you? I'm from Japan. Really? That's interesting. Good evening. Table for 2, please. Of course, right this way. Thank you. Could we see the menu? Here you go. I'll have water, please. Perfect. I'll be right back. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. Is it far from here? No, it's only a 5-minute walk. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a good day. Wonderful. You sound great. Part 5. Daily activities. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth before breakfast. I usually eat cereal for breakfast. I take the bus to work every day. I work from 9 to 5. I like to walk in the park during lunch. After work, I go to the gym. On weekends, I spend time with family. I enjoy reading books in my free time. I cook dinner at home most evenings. Fantastic! Let's talk about hobbies. Part 6. Hobbies and interests. My favorite hobby is playing guitar. I've been learning English for 3 years. I love traveling to different countries. Last summer, I visited 5 countries in Europe. I take photos when I travel. I enjoy trying new foods. Swimming is my favorite exercise. I write in my journal every night. On Sundays, I like to relax. Amazing! Now let's practice positive thinking. Part 7. Positive phrases. I can speak English better every day. I am getting more confident. Every time I practice, I improve. I enjoy learning new words. Making mistakes helps me learn. I am proud of my progress. I can understand English better now. I will keep practicing. English is becoming easier for me. I believe in myself. I am not afraid to speak English. Every conversation makes me stronger. Learning English opens many doors. Beautiful! Let's practice questions and answers. Part 8. Questions and answers. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Where do you live? I live in the small apartment downtown. What do you do for work? I work as a teacher. How long have you been studying English? I've been studying English for 2 years. What's your favorite food? I love pizza and pasta. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to read books and watch movies. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. How do you get to work? I usually take the subway. What are your plans for the weekend? I'm going to visit friends. Great! Let's practice travel phrases. Part 9. Travel phrases. I'm visiting your country for the first time. Could you recommend some good places to visit? How do I get to the airport from here? I would like to try some traditional food. Is it safe to walk around here at night? The people here are very friendly. I love meeting people from different countries. Travel helps me understand the world better. This trip has been amazing. I want to respect the local customs. Excellent. Now, some modern life phrases. I check my email every morning. I use my smartphone to take photos. Online shopping is very convenient. I watch English videos to improve my skills. Video calls make it easy to talk to people far away. I listen to podcasts while I exercise. Technology makes learning languages easier. I use apps when I don't understand a word.
Part 11. Expressing opinions. In my opinion, learning languages is important. I think that traveling teaches us about cultures. I feel excited when I speak English well. I believe that practice is the key to success. I find it interesting to learn about different cultures. I'm confident that my English will improve. In my experience, speaking with people helps a lot. I feel grateful for learning resources. I personally enjoy learning through podcasts. I strongly believe anyone can learn English. Outstanding! Final practice with longer sentences. Part 12. Advanced practice. Although English can be challenging, I enjoy learning it. When I practice speaking regularly, I notice improvements. Because I listen to English podcasts, my listening improves. Even though I make mistakes, I know errors help me learn. As soon as I wake up tomorrow, I'll practice these phrases. While I'm cooking dinner, I'll repeat sentences out loud. Since I started shadowing, my pronunciation improved. If I continue practicing every day, I'll reach my goals. After listening to this podcast, I feel more motivated. Before I go to bed, I'll review what I learned today. Conclusion. Excellent work today. You practiced so many different phrases and sentences. Shadowing is a powerful way to improve your English speaking. Remember to practice shadowing every day for 10 to 15 minutes. You can listen to this podcast many times. Each time you will get better. Here are my tips for you. First, don't worry about being perfect. Second, try to copy the rhythm and sounds. Third, record yourself sometimes. Fourth, be patient with yourself. Fifth, celebrate every improvement. Thank you for joining me today on the English Podcast Classroom. Your commitment to learning English is wonderful. Every minute you practice helps you improve. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, please share it with other English learners. Learning with friends is always more fun. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep having fun with English. You are doing better than you think. Thank you again for joining the English Podcast Classroom. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep growing. See you next time.